right click, okay, right click here, come into the graphics and sounds. There is sounds, input sounds, okay. There is file, read, sample read. There is file, okay. How can we come here? Right click, come to the sound. By using this experiment, we will try to play any sound in our computer. After that we will break the component of that sound or song, and we will try to cut the bass, and we will try to implement something, okay, for our sound. So let's think. So for that sample, read sample, right click, press Ctrl H. Okay. So now Ctrl B, right click, front panel, take one extend path, take one path controls, connect here, okay. After that come back, there is output, take play waveform, okay, play waveform, it is a play waveform, okay, 100 Hz, okay, sampling rate, bit resolution, okay. You can change and you can configure it by using this low level VI. It's just like a DAQ and it is the small VI. This had, okay, this waveform play has been designed by this small VIs. Now so there is one error. It will give me one error, and error will be, okay, because no file found. So let's click here, go to that section, download section, where I had downloaded, and I will select, okay, any song. You can select according to your, okay, interest, Hindi, English, Hindi, Telugu or Tamil. Okay, I can change the sound. Okay, I will change now. From the Arya movie, I will take one waveform. Okay, right click, I will come, increment, indicators, COUNT count. I will right click, will take stop button, just run. Feel my love, 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 feel my love. Feel my love. Okay, so by using these functions, okay, by using this count, I can count how many times, okay, song has been played. Okay, now look at here. So if I will right click here, if this program is done, if done, then inform me, we'll move after that. If this is done, then please inform me, we will move after according to that. Okay. Now, if I will right click and create indicator, I will see. So now I can see this is an array. Okay. So what is inside? So it is a waveform data type. It is a waveform data type. Okay. How can I know? Look at here. Okay. If now, okay. This IO waveform. Okay. IO inside IO. There is a waveform, digital waveform type. This one is the waveform type. Okay. This one is an array, but what is this? This individual is the waveform type. Okay, this individual, okay, element is the waveform type. So how can I know? Look at here. This is the waveform type. Okay, T0 delta and Y array. We know very well what is the meaning of T0 delta Y array. So now I will right click, come to the index array. I will use the index array. Okay, now remove. No remove. Just right click. Okay, mechanical change. Okay, now it's a my index array, create constant 0. Now it will be a one waveform type. So right click, create indicators. So it is a waveform types. Okay, now I can delete, control B. Okay, control B, control A. Sorry, what happened to this? Okay, now here I can use my one favorite functions, get waveform, get waveform components. Why it's not working? Get W FM, get waveform component. I need. After that, I will click this one. Show. Now I want to show. Okay, I can use one more thing here. Waveform graph. Okay, in the place of this, I can use the waveform graph, and I can plot the my song here. My song. Okay. So let's check how many data are present. Okay, let's check how many data are present in my waveform graph. Okay, so for that I will use array size, and I will try to count how many data are present. Okay, So let's see, let's count. There is 8,27,040 data is present. 8 lakh 8 lakh, okay, 8,27,140 data is present. Okay, in this our sum. And what is the sampling rate? Okay, if you want to know what is the sampling rate, so for that dt, right click, create indicators, and if we run for this feel my love song, what is the sampling rate? Okay, it's too high. Okay, extended. Okay, so sampling rate uh is near about 2 to the power, sorry, 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, the sampling rate is near about, it's in some megahertz. Okay, it is some megahertz frequency is present. So now let's see. Okay, this is a 15 second. If it is a 18 seconds, so 18 second divided by, okay, if I will take the divide and multiply, I will multiply with both these numbers. How many seconds? Okay, so total length. Okay, now delete this all. Control B. This one is sine waveform. Let's try to do something different. Okay, I want to delete the negative part. I want to delete the negative part of this signal. So how can okay, listen, I want to delete the negative part of this signal, and after that I want to play. So for that I will use for loop. Okay, this for loop will run. Okay, this for loop will run 82,700 times something. Okay, 82,741, sorry, 140 times this for a while loop will run, and I want to eliminate only the negative part. Okay, so let's, it's greater than equal to 0. Okay, it's greater than equal to 0. After that I will take the date, I will make a connection like this. I will right click here, come to the tunnel mode, conditional, I will connect. So if data will greater than equal to 0, then only pass, either it will be eliminated. Now I will use the build waveform component. Okay, I will connect. Okay, can I connect with this? Control B. If no, then what can I do? I will. Okay, I can connect. Now if I will run, so what will be the output? You can check. Okay, for the control A, control U. If I will run now, okay, let's see, run. Okay, why it happens? Just okay. Let's see the second graph. Let's see the second graph of our signal. Okay, that will be just half of this signal. That will be the just half of this signal. Okay, look at here. It's just half of this signal. Okay, this 18.7 is 9 point something something. Okay, so now I will change something. So now I am going to change something. Control B. If I will take this select terminal, okay, and I will eliminate only those data who is less than control A, control U. I will eliminate those replace those data which is less than 0 into by the 0. Then after that, if I will make a connection like this, so now let's check the output. Control A, control U. The program is look like this. Now if I will run. Okay, please do this program. When it will be done, please do this program. When it will be done, okay, we'll move. Okay, thank you. Let's move. Okay.